Here, what's poppin', world? Trying to catch an early morning vibe real quick. Hope everyone's having a blessed Friday, an amazing Friday, a healthy Friday. Let's get that, yes sir. Just got this joint. I had this joint on repeat, man. Like, this joint is so powerful right here. This joint right here is right. Gotta catch the vibe with this one. Sipping Henny eyes, Uncle Sam tax dollars with your money, do it for wars, incredible minds, I'm here to save you and yours. I'm on your porch, loud and direct, open your doors, pay attention to the signs of what's moving around you. I ain't here to save you, be glad that I found you. Open your mind, open your gates, the blessings will crown you. Kings and queens, the most beautiful things surround you. Under the tree of life, I bathe in the fountain of knowledge. Come on, son. That joint right there is right there, me. I'm not a rapper. But that joint right there, I like that. You gotta get your thoughts off, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a conversation with the beat. So it ain't no way you can just get on something like this and just say whatever. Like you gotta say something meaningful, something with some passion and some soul, some spirit. That joint raw right there too, yo. That joint right there is right. That joint right there is right. What's going on? Oh yeah, that's right here. It's clean too. Another joint that's right. Again, if you know, you know. Some don't. This one right here, boy. It's like I say, man, my life is a soundtrack, man. God behind the productions, man. Like, this joint right here is super tough. Y'all can see who's on that screen right there. Same joint, let's see what we got. Yeah. Sipping Henny eyes low. Uncle Sam tax dollars, where your money go? Do we fund wars? Incredible minds, I'm here to save you and yours. I'm on your porch, loud and direct, open your doors. Pay attention to the signs what's moving around you. Jesus ain't here to save you, be glad that I found you. Open your mind, open the gates, the blessings will crown you. Kings and queens, the most beautiful things surround you. Under that, ooh! I don't want to give away too much. Me, I don't want to give away too much, son. Yo, that joint right there, man. Nobody maybe bring out the guitar. Maybe get my Rick James on. But again, man, I hope everybody's having an incredible Friday. An incredible day, an incredible morning, a safe morning. You're about to hit the streets in a minute. And things that I may document Super right. I'm just walking around, you know what I'm saying, walking down the beach, just walking down the shoreline, like Jamaica, Bahamas, Dominican Republic somewhere, just reflecting, just thinking about life.